Hi guys, for today's video, pampabata guys, pata, ayan, patay ng sinaing. For today's video, ayan, magluluto kami ng pata with some lemon. Ayan guys, may adobo pa kami dito yung kagabi. I love R&B. Ayan guys, oh. For today's video, inaantay lang namin lumambot tong pata para mamaya alam na this. Patayin na mamayang naglason. Ayan guys, oh. Sauce.